Students, this way we have to make a question from the other sentences. Let's start this activity together. Students, I have some word cards. I have some word cards. Now I will give you these cards. Now I will give you these cards in group. And you have to do this activity. And you have to join the words and make a question. Listen again. You have to join words and make a question. And then you have to also make answer of it. Then you have to make also answer of it. Okay?
Yeah.
Now this group will take these cards. This group will take this card. And Ravina and Uma will take this word cards. And Uma and Kinjal will do activity with this card. Now first see your word cards. Now first you have to see your word cards. Okay, everyone is see it, please. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, પેજ નંબર 18 પર આપેલી પ્રવૃત્તિના પ્રશ્નો અને જવાબ તમે આ સાથે લખતા જાઓ. તમને તેના માટે અહીંથી સમય આપવામાં આવે છે. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમે પ્રવૃત્તિ પૂરી કરી લીધી હશે. Dear students, are you ready to present your activity work?
Yes.
So, let's start. Mahesh, please read sentence number 2.
The giants killed each other.
Very good. Now, read the question of it.
Did the giants kill each other?
Now, tell me the answer of it.
Yes, they did.
Now, you also show me the question and the answer which you made from the word cards. Students, look here. I am repeating this sentence once again. The giants killed each other. The giants killed each other. Now we will make a question. We will use the word did. Did. Did the giants kill each other? Did the giants kill each other? This is a question. Now, answer is yes, they did. Yes, they did. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આપેલી સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સની ખાલી જગ્યામાં તમારે શબ્દ લખવાનો છે did. Hi Uma, please read sentence number 3.
Gopal did not throw stone at trees.
Now read the question of it.
Did Gopal throw stone at trees?
Repeat again.
Did Gopal throw stone at trees?
Read the answer of it.
No, he didn't.
Very good. Dear students, now again I am repeating sentence number 3. Here, Gopal did not throw stones at trees. Gopal did not throw stones at trees. Now, we will make a question of it. We use did, as you know. Did Gopal throw stones at trees? Once again, did Gopal throw stones at trees? And the answer is no, he didn't. No, he didn't. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમે પણ સેન્ટેન્સ 3 માં ખાલી જગ્યામાં did Gopal એવું લખ્યું હશે. Now you learn how to make a question. Ravina, now read the sentence number 4.
Gopal did not kill 10 flies.
Good. Now read the question of it.
Did Gopal kill 10 flies?
Tell me the answer of it.
No, he didn't.
Students, look here. I am repeating this sentence. Gopal did not kill 10 flies. Gopal did not kill 10 flies. Now, this is a question of this sentence. Did Gopal kill 10 flies? Did Gopal kill 10 flies? And the answer is no, he didn't. No, he didn't. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આપેલા 4th સેન્ટેન્સની ખાલી જગ્યામાં Did Gopal kill? અને જવાબમાં No, he didn't આવશે. Now we will go on sentence number 5. Suman, please read the sentence.
The king promised a rich reward.
Very nice. Now, Rahul, please read the question of this sentence.
Did the king promise a rich reward?
You are right. Now, read the answer.
Yes, he did.
Students, here last sentence. The king promised a rich reward. The king promised a rich reward. This is a sentence. The question of this sentence is, did the king promise a rich reward? Now students, repeat with me. Did the king promise a rich reward? Very good. The answer is yes, he did. Yes, he did. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આપેલા 5th સેન્ટેન્સની ખાલી જગ્યામાં Did the king promise a rich reward? અને જવાબમાં Yes, he did આવશે. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને પ્રવૃત્તિ કરવાની મજા આવી હશે. આજે આપણે પ્રશ્નો બનાવતા શીખ્યા, તેનો તમે રોજિંદા વ્યવહારમાં ચોક્કસ ઉપયોગ કરજો. બીજી પ્રવૃત્તિ સાથે હવે પછીના ક્લાસમાં આપણે ફરી મળીશું. ગુડ બાય ઓલ.